What's up, guys? Julian the chef here, and today we're gonna be doing episode 2. Yeah, it's been like 2 years now. Intro. Wait, I had an intro thing. I guess I don't. Intro. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Got that little mustache. I'm kidding. Bro, I look like this kid named Billy. He beat up some little 6th grader. Very funny. Actually, it's not. But I think that it is. Wait, we're making a sandwich. Come here, bro. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hang on. Come here. Hang on. You want a piece of cheese? Want some cheddar? Some cheddar cheese. Linguine. Some linguine. Pepperini. Come here, boy. Want some linguine? Blue. Get it. Oh, burn it! Yeah, come here. Here. Some cheddar. Hang on. But you have to. Stop! Such a good boy. Okay. He wants his cheddar. Okay, I have no idea what we're making. So this is what we're gonna be doing. We can't make another sandwich because we did that in the last episode. Okay, hang on. I've got it. It is a very simple process called, "Hey, sweetie, what's up, sweetie?" This actually doesn't even hurt my throat. Like, it's perfectly fine. Then I have a... Kermit the Frog here. Kermit, oh man. I'm going to, not Kermit suicide. Have you guys been hearing about that Momo thing? Like at first it was like a funny joke stuff, but now it's just like stupid. Okay, you're not gonna be making a sandwich. We're gonna be making half a sandwich. 1 piece of bread we saving. Bada boom, bada bing, boom. 1 piece of bread. Only 1. Use 2, bruh. In the apocalypse, you ain't gonna survive long. We got a gun here. Perfectly fine. Get down on the ground, you just shoot them. But, as we can see, we gotta... Jesus. Oh, I have the hiccups. Bada boom, bada beanie. Your fettuccine is not complete. Okay?